Hello, this is Daniel from Sound Headquarters. In today's short episode, we are going to be sealing this interior grade door. And we are using climalock products. We're using a small 1/4 inch self-adhesive rubber gasket for the perimeter of the door jamb. And then we are using a heavy duty door sweep for the bottom of the door to close the gap between the bottom of the door and the floor. So you can see that this rubber gasket just sticks on. It is self-adhesive. And we are applying this to the hinge side of the frame. And once we get that all stuck on, I can use my EXACTO knife to trim off the excess at the bottom. And this stuff just cuts perfectly to size. And we can just get rid of that. And then we can test close the door. And that also helps us seal, make sure that that contact adhesive has made a good seal along the door jamb. And now we can move on to the striker side of the door. And on this side, we are actually sticking onto that small 1/4 inch lip of the door jamb. So just take your time and make sure that we apply this totally straight, and then we can test to see if the door still latches, which it did not. So that just means we have to adjust our striker. So we have to adjust our striker plate to the left a little bit to just give a little bit more room for that latch to latch on. So I'm using my drill bit to create some pilot holes so that when I reapply these small screws that they go in the direction that we want them to and that they don't blow out into the existing screws. So we want this to actually be a little bit difficult to close. We still want to make sure that when the latch closes on the striker that there's pressure amongst all of the seals that we added on the door. If the fit is very loose, then that kind of defeats the purpose of adding these seals. We want the whole door to be in contact with these rubber seals that we just added. So now we're just getting the top of the door frame now. And I'm just using a little bit of construction adhesive to stick on a piece that was peeling back. And here is the door sweep that we're using. We're using a heavy duty door sweep from Climalock. And this stuff, we just cut the actual metal of the door piece, or of the door sweep rather, to fit the door. And I'm just applying the rubber gasket back on there. And then we want to push down on the door sweep as we screw into the bottom of the door, because we want this to be making contact with the floor the whole time we open and close it. So we're just going to test that a few times, and it's as simple as that. This is a way that we can soundproof our interior grade doors, and we're not going to get too much isolation by doing this, just because a lot of sound transmission will go between the actual door itself, since it's so light and it's not built to actually isolate sound. However, if we treat the air gaps, which is where most of the sound is escaping, we'll be able to get a lot better performance compared to not sealing this door whatsoever. And that's what these clients were looking for, so that's what we offered for them. And this is an inexpensive solution for your interior grade doors. And here is a little quick mini tour. If you want to see the rest of the work that we did for this recording studio, all the other videos are on my channel. We did large 6-foot panels, we did corner traps, we did the eco felt on the ceilings, we did the diffuser. Stay tuned for more studio building content. This is Daniel from Sound Headquarters. Thanks for watching. Peace out.